Hello everyone, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations at LovelySkin.
And I'm Kristen, I'm a licensed esthetician.
And today we get to unbox not one, but an entire collection of SkinMedica products from their new Even and Correct range. So, should we open it up?
Yes, I would love to.
All right, go ahead and dive in.
All right.
We've not opened these products at all yet, so this is
exciting.
very
First time.
exciting. What do we have first?
Okay, it looks like their advanced brightening treatment.
Awesome.
And then next up, a dark spot cream.
Okay.
And last but not least, the brightening treatment pads.
So I just want to say that all three of these products contain a patent pending ingredient called LTN, which includes lotus sprout extract, tranexamic acid, and niacinamide.
So the one thing I do love about the advanced brightening treatment is it is hydroquinone free and retinol free. And I know that that is important to some consumers. It is still showcasing the 9% LTN as well as a lot of other assortment of botanicals to help with the diminishing of the pigmentation. So this is a really great showcase product to be using both morning and nights.
Advanced brightening treatment can be used all over the face to help treat all those types of hyperpigmentation.
Yes, where I think this other product is going to be more so if you have like a stubborn dark spot that you're trying to get rid of, maybe going back to that post-inflammatory pigmentation where we're really kind of trying to isolate on one specific area. This is going to be more for you.
Yes, I love that they have made an all-over treatment and then a targeted spot treatment for those harder areas.
Exactly, and that one is a little bit thicker in consistency as well.
And then the last product I think I'm most excited about actually is the brightening treatment pads.
The one thing I do love about these pads is there's no alcohol in them. Yes. So it is going to be more of a concentration of witch hazel, which is going to be a little bit of a kinder and gentler astringent. So as you can see here, SkinMedica did share some nice before and afters from their clinical study. And this shows a lot of great evidence that not only is this good for all skin tones and Fitzpatrick's, but it does work with really reducing the melasma in the skin.
Kristen, thank you so much for taking the time today to help me unbox the SkinMedica Even and Correct products. Anything else you'd like to add before we close out?
So SPF. So it is very important to be using a facial sunscreen every single day when using these products. Since there are a lot of great exfoliation ingredients in here, we want to make sure that we are not backtracking and we're protecting ourselves from the sun.
Good point. Thank you. We're excited for you all to try the products, and they're available now for you on LovelySkin.com. Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.
Bye.